Hey guys, happy Sunday. I think it's December the 18th. No, it's December 17th. My mistake. Hope everybody's doing well and amazing. I actually just got up. I got up to use the restroom, but I'm back in bed as you see. I just had the time to sleep in today, so I was like, why not? I mean, if you get up early in the morning, Monday through Friday, it's just, you have to rest your body. You really have to rest your body for your overall health, you know what I mean? Some of y'all get it, some people don't get it, which I don't really care if they get it or not. But just wanted to start off this video by just saying good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. Try to have good thoughts, be good people, and focus your attention on only the good things in life. Only the good things. In all areas of your life, only focus on the good things. No matter what you see, no matter what you hear, no matter what people do, just only focus on the good things, okay? So, yeah. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to make me something warm to drink. I've been drinking water already this morning. So, going to get me something warm to drink, sit for a second, and I don't know what this video is going to entail, but we're going to think of something because we got like, what, 7 more days to do this? So I'm going to make the best out of it. I've been doing great so far. So like I said, I hope you guys have been enjoying, and you seem like you have. So yeah, we're going to keep on pushing, keep on doing this. So you guys hold the line, please. I'll be right back, okay? Y'all, it's a boring day. I really don't feel like doing nothing today. I really don't. I'm being so honest with y'all right now. I'm being so honest with y'all right now. But your girl don't feel like doing anything. Your sister, your whatever, she don't feel like doing nothing. I know y'all can't wait for me to put on her, right? I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna see what I can do. So let me change the date, y'all. Let's change the day here, 17th. So let's go ahead and make this coffee because I really didn't want to get up. I don't want to get up. I'm up, but I don't, want to get up. I'm burning me some what is this called? Non-chopper incense. And y'all, I had bought that glue. I wasn't even thinking I could have used this to mend the suit together. I don't know. I might and I might not. But it was actually to hold I got this pot sitting on my boot because my heel. I think I tried to tell y'all that. But let me go in and make my coffee, okay? So guys, in the meantime, while my oatmeal is cooking, I just wanted to show you how this space looks right here. I can't wait to get a little bit more. I want to like find some more different color, knives and things like that. But I still love my woods. That's what I'm going to eat with my oatmeal. This is a reversible spoon. Has a fork on that side and the spoon on the other. So that's how the drawer is looking, y'all. I absolutely like it. Mm. All right, y'all, I am back. So I got dressed already. I'm gonna probably head out. Just wanted to share with y'all what I'm wearing today, and I'm gonna do some more paring down a little bit, letting go. Y'all gotta start letting go stuff. Don't be afraid to let things go. This is what I'm wearing right now. The Faith. Did y'all see that? I think I did it too fast, but that's what I'm wearing now. And I'm going to be putting on these loafers here. These are my Anne Klein loafers, which I do absolutely like. I have to learn how to stop saying love, because I feel like when you say love too much, it's like we ain't supposed to be loving something so much where it takes away from the, y'all get what I'm saying. Don't come on here and talk about, oh, you're being too deep. No, I don't want to love nothing more than I'm supposed to. Okay? I don't. That's just me. So this is the outfit of the day. This is it. And I know it's not 100% wintertime, because people will say you can't wear white in the winter or when it get cold like this. But I love wearing these colors of creams, beiges, and whites. I love how it looks. Y'all, I'm gonna throw that wig on just to see how it looks. But I wanted to show y'all first the outfit of the day, and then that'll be last, okay? So I'm gonna do some paring down. So the first thing I'm gonna let go, y'all, is this bag here, because I have this black bag, and I still have this one. I have this one, which I like. Kind of reminds me of YSL, but it's not a YSL, and I currently still have this one. Okay? And then I have my black crossbody bag that I wear mostly every day, which I'll be wearing it today. So you guys see this all the time? I wear this all the time, okay? This is my personal, close to my body. It makes me feel secure. So this is why I wear this a lot. But this is gonna have to go. I have this rabbit scarf. It's real pretty, y'all. Really pretty. This is gonna go. And there's something else that my Ugg boots have to go. So I think I told you guys that. So these are gonna go. And that will be it. I have my other boot in the front, So yeah, guys, these are my outs this month, okay? So don't be afraid. Do not be afraid to let things go. Please do not be afraid to let things go. No matter how much you love them and how much you think you are tied to them, they don't own you. You own them. So let them go, okay? Let them be free and let somebody else have them, okay? So that's what I wanted to tell y'all today. That is a message today inside of my other message of letting things go. But also stay tuned, because we're about to try this wig on and see what's going on, okay? All right, y'all. So what do y'all think? Do y'all like her? I like it a little bit. I'm gonna call her Sadie. So introducing Sadie, huh? She goes good with the colors today. But yeah, guys, I don't know. I might throw my beanie on and wear her outside just to see. But tell me what y'all think. I like it. I mean, for $1, you can't. I don't know if this is human hair, not human hair. Y'all know I don't know, because I don't do hair. I don't wear fake hair. So I was trying to figure out, like, how do I put her on? So I just brushed my hair back into a ponytail, wrapped the ponytail and just threw it on, and then it had like a clamp. I clamped it back together. So guys, this is her. Let me know what y'all think. So guys, that's gonna do it for me. I will see you all in another video. I'm getting ready to step out. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all. All right, y'all, I wanted to come back real quick and just show y'all the glasses that I was talking about that I wanted to get rid of. So y'all know I have like black ones. I have these 2 pair. I'm gonna keep these. I don't really like these. They're a little bit too tight fitting. Well, I ain't gonna lie. I just don't, let me see. I like them, but I like these better. Okay, you get what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? See? So I'm gonna take this. Hold on, let me take my gloves off. I'm just gonna put them in the bag that I got these beautiful ski ones on. I'm gonna put those in there. And then I'm gonna drop this stuff off, y'all, and get where I gotta go, okay? So, these are gonna go in the bag with the donations. Now, I didn't put the shoes in, those Ugg boots in there yet, because I hope my heel on my boot really sticks. So that's gonna go in here. I did add like another pillowcase in there, y'all. So I'm gonna head on out, get this stuff took in there, and yeah, I'll see y'all in another video. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know what y'all think about. Did I call her Sadie? I don't know. I don't even remember. Did I call her Sadie? Whatever I call her, I don't know if y'all be seeing her all the time, but I guess it's fun a little bit, right? All right, y'all, I'm out. Bye.